Hello. With it being the beginning of the year, many of you are going to want to create your own Canvas courses that are not for academic purposes, but more for different clubs or organizations that you are responsible for in your building. Spanish club, Key club, those kinds of things. So I'm going to show you how to not only create a course for that, but to set it up in a way where students can enroll themselves in the course with a simple URL. So what you're going to want to do is from your dashboard, I'm on my dashboard, you're going to go down to where you find the button that says Start a New Course and select that. When that pops up, you're going to just select a name for your course. So I'm going to call this Spanish Club and hit Create a Course. When that populates, you're going to see that it is just a blank course, just like your academic courses looked before you did anything to them. Now, if you set up a Canvas course for any club or organization, it's important that you set it up somewhat like the academic courses in that you develop a home page and put it in there. Just because for consistency purposes, students will want to interact with the course and understand how to interact with the course more. It'll just get used more if you set it up with our consistent practices. So you'll want to make a home page. It won't be the same as your other home page. You'll certainly just have like a little message to them or something to welcome them to the course. You don't have all the buttons and everything like you have for academic, but you will want to put something up there. All right, so now you need to enroll students. Notice that your course is unpublished. So when you get it all set up, you'll have to hit that button for anybody to see it. All right, to have students enroll themselves in your course, you're going to go into settings over here in the course navigation at the bottom. And you're going to go all the way down and see this little blue More Options button. You're going to click on that. And there's all kinds of different things here that you need to pay attention to if you're using this for a club. There's ways that you can give students a little bit more control, like you can have students create discussion topics. And you might want to do that if it's for a club or organization. You might want to have them organized within the group, or you may not. So you can uncheck or check any of these. For the purposes of your course creation, it is this button you want to pay attention to. Let students self-enroll by sharing with them a secret URL. So you'll just click that button and then hit Update Course Details. After you do that, you're going to see at the very bottom, it says this course has enabled open enrollment. Students can self-enroll in the course, and you just need to give them this URL. So you'll just copy this and send it to them in some way or post it on a board in the whiteboard in your smart board in your classroom and tell them to type that in that code and they will self-enroll in your class. It's really that simple. So if you have any other questions, let me know. But we want you to use Canvas for more than necessarily just your academic courses that you teach. Of course, build courses and use them to organize your clubs and organizations within the school.